Guys, I added Fanta to this chin chin recipe and it changed the whole game. Like it took this chin chin to another level. Okay, it was so yummy that I decided to share. That's why I'm here, guys. If I don't bring this update to you guys, waiting again, Kwano. Waiting again, waiting can be my gain. That's why I'm sharing freely. Freely I receive, freely I shall give, guys. And today I brought to you fantastic chin chin. Fantastic crunchy chin chin in every sense of it. Okay, if you're meeting us for the first time, my name is Chex. You're welcome back to my kitchen. Okay, let's go through the things we need for this special chin chin. We need our Fanta, of course. We need 500 grams of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar. We need 1 egg, and we need 50 grams of butter. We need nutmeg, milk powder, baking powder, and we'll go ahead and start mixing it right away. Of course, the process is the same. You mix all your dry ingredients first, and then you bring in your liquid ingredients. So let's quickly do that until we get to the part where we'll be using our Fanta to make the fantastic chin chin. Okay, so stay with me. Let's do this together as always. The first wet ingredient to be added is our butter, 50 grams of butter. Okay, so I've already measured it out from that sachet of 250, and here I have my 50 grams. I am going to rub it into the flour with the tips of my hands. You have to make sure that it's fully incorporated before introducing other liquid ingredients. Make a hole at the center of your bowl and pour in your whisked egg and rub it into the flour as well. Now you bring in your Fanta. Okay, we are going to be using half cup of this content. Okay, I measured 1 cup and I am pouring it in bits so that I watch the consistency. Please don't just go ahead and pour 1 cup. At the end of the day, I used only half cup of this Fanta. Now another thing I need to point out to you is the importance of this Fanta. Okay, Fanta helps in activating your baking powder. Okay, so it will never ever turn out to be hard rock chin chin. This chin chin can never be hard because you have your baking powder, you have your Fanta here, and Fanta is helping to activate that. Okay, so that's just the simple tricks around it. But whenever you're using your Fanta as the liquid, please do not use liquid milk. If not, your chin chin might be too runny and you cannot even manage it to cut. That's why I didn't use liquid milk. I used powdered milk instead. So when you have mixed everything together, gently cover it with a towel. Put it aside for at least 15 to 20 minutes so that everything will set. Bring it back, knead it further, and start cutting your chin chin to your desired shape. Another reason why you must use egg in your chin chin is because egg is also a softener. Okay, on this recipe, the 3 softeners we'll have here is our baking powder, our egg, and our liquid Fanta. As though they're solid Fanta. So you need your Fanta. Okay, all those things contributes to the softness and the yumminess of the chin chin. So you go ahead and cut to your desired shape like I said earlier, but you have to maintain a consistency to be sure that at least they have the same size and shape. That way all of them will fry at the same speed. Okay, you will see what I mean shortly. Carefully separate the chin so that they won't stick together while you're frying them. Okay, so when you have finally separated them and sprinkle some flour on it, it's time to go in and fry. So in a pan, you pour in your oil, allow it to heat up a little bit, not so hot because you don't want this chin to burn. So you're going to test it. Here I'm testing it with a slice of onion to see if the onion will fry, and let me know the speed at which it is frying. As you can see, it's bubbling. Okay, that shows that the oil is hot enough but not too hot. So I will just go ahead and take out this onion and then start frying my chin. Please, frying chin, you need special skills. Don't go and pour everything in together at once. No, if not, it will soak in that oil. You have to be frying it in small batches to get the perfect crunchy chin that you so desire. Okay, just watch what I am doing, small at a time. It helps it to fry faster and the color will be so beautiful. Second tip, do not fry your chin until it is golden brown, please, because chin and just like every other thing that you fry continues to fry even while they are out of the fire. Okay, so just know this. That's why if you fry it to be golden brown and you bring them out, by the time they will cool down, you will find out that it's very dark and you might not like the color. It will just be basically overcooked. So to avoid that, when the color is just bright, like it's just starting to brown, bring them out and put them in your sieve so that the oil will drain. Okay, and when you come back to it, you will discover this thing that I just told you. You will discover that the color has deepened and you might not just like it. And ta-da! This is our fantastic chin. Thank you guys for watching and see you all in my next one. Bye.